Perrito.
Hey, Milk! Milky! Hello? No, I'm gonna have to go get some. Okay, sounds good.
I'm trying not to open this thing up when you guys start grinding.
Vete en el baño, ¿qué va a hacer?
Ah, Milk! Hello, Milky. Outside. He's doing the baiting work then. Crazy girl.